You are welcome to Geojay Solution Tutorial channel. I am Peter Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to show you how to extract raster values to points in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So, in ArcGIS, I have this raster data and points data. If I zoom to layer for the points data, I have this series of points, and what we want to do is to extract the values of this raster at each point to this points data. For instance, if I click on this identify tool and I click at any point of this raster, I will be able to see the value. Click anywhere, I'll see the value at that point. So what we want to do is to extract the value at each of these points to the points. Now, if you right click the layer and open the attribute table, we see the series of fields for this point. So what you want to do is to extract value at each of these points to form another field here. So to do that, click on Arc Toolbox, then come to Spatial Analysis tool. You see extraction, then you see extract values to points. Extract values to point, open that. So here, input point features to be these points, then input raster, you put the raster, then save the results, which is the output, as extracts. For instance, click save and click on OK. So the process will run background and extract the values of raster at each of the points to the point. In few seconds, it should be extracted. Let's wait for it. The process is successful and it has been added as extract. Now, if you come to this extract and open the attribute table, let's expand, you will see raster value. This is the raster value that has been extracted from the raster to points. From raster to points, it has been extracted. So this is how to extract raster value to points in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.